Hello everyone, this is Discord Limited Tutorials Part 4, and in today's video we're going to be quickly going over Discord's 9th birthday celebration and the 9 days of giveaways that they're hosting on their social media platforms. So if you haven't noticed recently, Discord just announced that it is their 9th birthday as of May 13th. This video is going out on May 14th, so it is one day late, but you do have time to catch all the rest of their giveaways they are hosting. But basically, I'm here on the birthday article here, and we could see a bit of information here. So starting off though, well, it's 9th birthday, so in honor of our 9th birthday, we're celebrating with 9 days of giveaways. So that's one day, one giveaway per day for 9 days in a row. And as you can also see, if we go down here, there is a requirement of being a legal resident of the United States. So just getting that out there right away, you do have to live in the United States of America to be eligible to win any of their giveaways. So starting off, we have day 1, which is a mystery box giveaway for Discord's 9th birthday. And as you can see, you have until the 21st for this giveaway to join. So basically, upon starting the giveaway, you have 8 days to join that giveaway. And as you can see, the date goes up by 1 day for each giveaway here. So if you're joining, for example, day 3 on the 15th, you actually have until the 23rd to accept it. So you basically have 8 days to accept the giveaway once it's started. And for the first one here, it is a mystery box. And as you can see, it says the prize is 1 mystery box with Discord merch, approximate retail value of $100 USD. And as you can see, they have 3 different giveaway locations: Twitter sweepstakes, Instagram sweepstakes, and Town Hall sweepstakes. So essentially, there'll be a few different social medias that you can apply for the giveaway. So technically, you're getting, in other words, multiple entries into that one giveaway. And they're also giving away multiple of the same giveaway threefold. So that's day 1. Which is already out currently right now. If we go to the Discord's Twitter here, we can see if we scroll down. There we go, May 13th. Today is officially our 9th birthday. To kick off our birthday week, we're giving away a mystery box of Discord merchant goodies. And simply all it says is to reply to this post with Happy Birthday Discord and use the hashtag Discord sweepstakes hashtag. So all you have to do is just basically comment. Just type Happy Birthday Discord, as well as type the hashtag Discord sweepstakes, and that's it. You're entered in, and it's pretty much the exact same way for Instagram and Town Hall sweepstakes. It's just simply replying with Happy Birthday Discord and using the same hashtag. So that's day 1. Day 2 now is a Stream Deck and a mic giveaway, and I believe the Stream Deck and mic are skinned with Wumpus or whatever, or some sort of Discord skin on it. As you can see, that they're each 150 USD value, so 300 total. And as you can see, it started on May 14th, or in other words, today. And if we actually go to their Twitter here, we can see they posted 10 hours ago the tweet for the day 2 giveaway. So you can see it's a birthday week, and we'll give someone Wumpus into a mic and a Steam Deck or Stream Deck if we want to. If you want to win this Elgato Stream Deck and Wave 3 mic bundle, reply to this post with what game you think Wumpus should stream. So this one has an actual question here. Basically, just reply with any game that you think Wumpus should stream for a first ever stream. And then, once again, use the same hashtag Discord sweepstakes. And I'm assuming now for all 9 days of giveaways, for every single giveaway day, you will have to use that hashtag in every single answer. But in terms of whatever the question is or whatever the thing you have to say will probably change, but we obviously won't know until that comes. So day 3 now is Discord Nitro giveaway for a year. Now this is the one that everyone's excited about because a whole year of Discord Nitro Premium is, well, that's one of the best things you could ever get on Discord. So as you can see, they're giving away quite a lot. I mean, they're giving away 9 total winners per social media here too. So they have TikTok, Twitter, Instagram, and Town Hall. So that means they're giving away a total of 36 years of Discord Nitro. Literally, 36 people will get a year of Discord Nitro. So we cannot wait for day 3, which will be tomorrow. So stay tuned for that, of course, if you're watching right now on the 14th of May. But yeah, so look at that, 1,100 USD total value for that's per 9. So in total, they're giving away about, well, $4,500 worth of Discord Nitro. And that's day 3, and then day 4 is a Wumpus Piñata, which I can see. It's just one Wumpus Piñata, 100 USD. It doesn't really give any details on what the Piñata is or what's inside of it. But it seems that you can comment with your favorite candy, so I guess you could choose what candy is inside the Piñata. It's kind of weird, but it is worth $100, so there's probably something valuable inside that Piñata. But no one will know, I guess, until they win it. And as you can see, there's only one winner for it, so there must be something special inside. And then next is day 5, which is actually another Discord Nitro giveaway. So another 36 years of Discord Nitro they're giving away. And one thing to note is for the Discord Nitro giveaways, it is not only for U.S. residents. It's for basically anyone that can accept Discord Nitro. So as you see, an illegal resident of a country where Nitro is available, and excluding Italy, Brazil, and the province of Quebec in Canada. So as you can see, it's another 36 years. And then day 6 is a custom keyboard rug and a Discord keyboard. And it has a total value of 200 USD. That would be pretty cool to get a custom Discord keyboard. I'm not going to lie. So that's day 6. And then day 7 is a Discord shop item giveaway. So you can see total of 9 winners. So it's just one item from the Discord shop. Discord shop as in like the custom avatar borders or custom animated backgrounds on your profiles for Nitro users. That's day 7, and then day 8 is a Discord Nitro dice set. So custom Discord Nitro dice set, which sounds pretty cool. I'm not sure what that will look like, but you can probably check out their 9th birthday video and find out. And then very lastly, for day 9, we have Cakeified headset stand giveaway. So it's literally just a headset stand, which somehow is worth $150. So must be a very custom headset stand. So that'll be pretty cool. And as you can see, for this one, it's only on Instagram, and it's only for people in the United States. So essentially, though, that is all the giveaways for Discord 9th birthday. Remember, you just go to their social medias, stay up to date, make sure you're following them so you get their notifications, because every single day for the next 9 days, excluding today and yesterday, so for the next 7 days from now, they will be posting a new giveaway, as well as you can enter the old giveaways, because you have 8 days from when it's posted to enter. In that case, though, that'll be the wrap to this video. Hope you guys enjoyed, and hopefully one of you guys will win one of their Discord giveaways. If you do, that would be pretty crazy. Please leave a comment if you do win a giveaway. That would be pretty amazing. And once again, if you haven't already, join the Discord server below. It is officially out, and I would love to see some new members arrive. So, because we are trying to grow a new community for this new YouTube channel. Please subscribe if you are liking my content, and I'll see you guys in the next tutorials. I do have a few more tutorials coming up that's planned. So in that case, though, I'll see you guys in the next video, and hopefully you guys will win some Discord Nitro. Bye-bye.